Idris, where are you? What are you doing, Idris?
Careful, Idris.
Where are you?
Right here.
Are you at home?
No.
Where are you?
At the store.
You at the store?
Yeah.
What store you at?
Mustard one.
The what one?
Mustard one.
The Buster one.
Mustard.
Mustard?
No. And tacos.
You get ready to eat some tacos?
Yeah.
Say ta-da.
Ta-da.
Told ya.
I 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 told ya. Told ya. That's so nice.
Hey, I got a question. You like going camping? Tell me why. What do you get to do when you camp?
You know what's my best part? What's the favorite part? What's my favorite part?
What's your favorite part? I can't hear you. You gotta get
I
close.
said making s'mores.
Nobody heard what you said. What's your favorite part?
Making the s'mores.
Making s'mores? Okay, we gotta get a video of you making some s'mores. What else do you like?
Sleeping in the tent.
Sleeping in a tent? That's your tent right there?
And I love sitting in front of the fire.
Don't you think so? What you doing, Halima?
Washing potatoes.
That's what you're gonna eat for dinner?
Yes, and I love potatoes.
Oh man. You gonna make some french fries?
No.
What you gonna make?
I don't know. It's just gonna be regular potatoes.
Just regular potatoes? Did you ride your bike today camping?
Yeah.
How far did you go? Really far?
Yeah, but not far. Far. Like, we go in a different state, but we were still here, and I liked it.
Oh man,
And
yeah.
my legs burned.
Your leg burns? So you're gonna get stronger and stronger and go further and further? So what's the hardest part about camping?
Not relaxing.
So I thought that's the whole point of camping is to relax.
Can I see?
But
Can I see?
kids aren't at the age of where to let myself relax. I'm training them.
So do you still enjoy yourself?
Yes, I enjoy watching their moments of happiness.